Hi everyone, I hope you're well. My name is Hector. I study social science at Montmorency College. This is my fourth session, and I want to become a criminologist later. Criminology is a very big field, with a lot of information, special words and terms. As a criminologist, I have to write some reports, do research, and keep up to date. To be able, I found a site who can help me on my studies and on my future job. Today, I'm gonna show you how that works. At first, you have to open your browser, just like I do it right now. After that, you have to write Wiley online library, exactly like I do it right now. You put on, and you're gonna find the second one, Wiley online library, scientific research, article, journal, books, etc. You go inside. On this side you have a lot of information. You have journals, you have books, all that everyone could need. Agricultural, architecture, business, chemistry, computer, but we have really to go search on the search section, the criminology part. That's gonna be the encyclopedia of criminology and criminal justice. That's gonna be this one, the section that we're gonna need. Open this section, that part. We're gonna wait. Perfect. So on this part you have the topics, all the section, correction and sentences, correlate of crimes, court and justification. This section that show you how many journal articles, books, all the information we need. You have all that section. All of those topics are there to ubicate what we need. Now we will go into one of these topics to show the other options more advanced. For example, we can go on correlate of crime. We go inside. That doesn't gonna belong. Sorry. And for example, we have alcohol use and crime. For example, this one gonna show you one article, book, or journal. This one is from Miranda Horvath. For that one, you have a lot of options. You have the abstract, just to know a little information of what the subject wanna talk and all. You have the full text that you can see online, or the best part that I think is the PDF. With the PDF, when you click inside, you can download the text, the information, how would you write, do the modification and all. If it is for a work, you have other reference too, on the other side, and for request permissions, if you want to publish something or do another thing with that, you have to require some permission. You can do it by this site. So that's all, class. Thank you very much and have a nice day.